Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel before we begin and making sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. If you want to see me try out some new products, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. Let's clip these pieces of hair out the way and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go in with is the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base. So this is designed for moisturising your lips before product, and it also helps with your pH level. It's going to be great for more mature skin as well. If you've got lines around, like wrinkles around your lips, it's going to help the lipstick not bleed, which is absolutely amazing. Also guys, can we take an appreciation for my nails? These are hands down, hands down, get it? Hands down my favourite set I've had. They're like a chocolate brown with the blooming gel. I absolutely love it. I know I'm already going to love this because it's such a popular product. Can't believe I've never tried this. Feels moisturising already. I'm obviously going to start with my base. Firstly, I'm going to go in with primer. This is the Revolution Super Base. So it's the Vitamin Base Primer Moisturising Primer. So obviously this is meant to be a dupe for the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Nothing has compared to that so far. I've tried the Primark one. It doesn't even smell like it, guys. See, I love the Bobbi Brown face base because of the smell as well, but this is the one that feels the same so far and looks the same. I'm just gonna take that, pop it everywhere. It does feel nice, but again, it feels more oily, if that makes sense, compared to the Bobbi Brown one, which feels like heaven. No, it feels less thick, I suppose. It feels more wet. Is that the right way of saying? But it does feel nice, and it's giving my skin a nice glow to it. I've got really red skin at the moment. I've just scrubbed myself. Next, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Bright Light 4-in-1 Face Glow Luster Medium Light. These are the products that everyone were like going literally insane over because they were like dupes. I do love the applicator though. This shade is obviously not going to match me because I am not tanned at the moment, but we're going to make it work. I'm just going to use my foundation brush. I know for a fact as well the foundation that I'm going to use is definitely 100% not my shade. I just don't know why I haven't tanned. It's effort, do you know what I mean? Like winter, it's so much more effort to put tan on. But I would literally only do my chest, my arms and hands and my face. So in reality, that isn't a lot, is it? Not much effort. Okay, that looks absolutely stunning. That's probably the best dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury I've used. Maybe I'll have to do like a comparison, but that does look really nice. Really lightweight as well. I don't feel it on my skin, which I love. Okay, I've gone and wet the sponge. This is a new sponge. It's from Unicorn Cosmetics. Got this ages ago. It's meant to smell like peaches. It doesn't really anymore. It's the peach sponge. I'm gonna actually use this foundation with a sponge. I don't know why. I'm fancying a sponge today because I haven't used a sponge in so long. This is the Revolution Skin Silk Foundation Luminous Serum Foundation. Now we all know this is a dupe for loads of things. Like this gave me very much Clinique Clinical Serum Foundation dupe. Might not be, but I got the shade F10. Like I said, probably not my shade. Ooh, that is hella runny. You see how fast that's going down my arm? This feels lovely. I don't want too much coverage either, so that's why I'm going in with a sponge. This sponge has soaked up a majority of that. I think I've come to realise that I do match my skin to quite a dark foundation, which I need to stop doing. Like this shade of foundation is personally not my favourite anymore because it's got quite a orange tone to it. I love a olive tone, not an orange tone. Yeah, she needs to be blended down the neck. But this foundation is looking stunning, guys. I think foundations like this that has a serum in it, a sponge is really nice if you want that natural look. Yeah. I really like this sponge as well, it's so soft. That is blended so nicely. Look how glowy my skin looks. I'll have to try these products separate the foundation and the glow. But so far that is absolutely stunning. Not a brand new product for me, but it's the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer 00 Ivory. Don't know if this is going to be my shade, but we need to lighten this up anyway. Cult Popular sponge applicator. This is probably going to take years to come out. This has been sat in my drawer for so long, and I know I threw my last one out. Look how much has gone down and nothing's come out. What is going on? Okay, it's coming. Look how much has just gone down. Nothing's come out yet. Okay, my washing machine's on and it is shaking the house. Okay, I like this shade. It's like a warm light shade. And like I said, I need to brighten this foundation up. I do remember loving this concealer, but I just can't remember what it was like. Because of the sponge applicator, I feel like I have to use it up quite quick because of like bacteria and stuff. I'm going to put a bit by here as well because I am a completely different colour at the moment. Yeah, do you see the sponge is like literally covered, but at the same time I do like the sponge applicator. I love how that looks, that colour. I'm going to blend it out with a brush and then I'm going to go in with a sponge. I apologise if the camera's shaking or you can hear the washing machine. It's literally next door. I just can't believe how much my subscribers have grown since posting the 31 days of Halloween. It is absolutely crazy what being consistent and posting regularly can do. Just to show that when you put effort in, it does make a difference. Okay, I really like that concealer. So nice. Now I've got the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush. This is the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade 02 Petal Poppin'. This is such a me shade. You know when you've got a new cream product and you just don't want to ruin it? Yeah, this is such a me blush. It's like in between a coral pinky sort of blush. Not very pigmented, I'm not gonna lie. Gone in quite heavy-handed here. I do love Fenty Beauty products. That's given me such a light wash of colour, but it's really nice, a nice colour. My absolute favourite from Fenty Beauty is hands down their gloss bombs. Their gloss bombs are so stunning. Absolutely love them. Like that. It's not my absolute favourite, but it's cute, it's nice, it blended nicely. If you are a blush lover like me, then you might not like this because it's quite a sheer blush. You definitely have to build it, but then again, if you like a cream blush that you can build up, then you are definitely gonna love this. Okay, so I don't have a new face setting powder or a powder bronzer, so I'm just going to go off camera and quickly set my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done my powder and my bronzer and I also just filled in my eyebrows. I've got such an exciting product to try. The Viral NYX Cosmetics Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. There's another one that I've been absolutely loving at the moment, but this one I've seen going around everywhere. It's in the shade Espresso. I am so excited. This is what it looks like. It just looks like a liquid liner pen and it's got a super duper fine tip on it, and all you gotta do is flick his. Obviously, because I like to do the laminated style, I like to thicken them a bit more with this pen. I absolutely love the shade of this one. The one that I've got already is a little bit too warm for me, and I'm not like a massive warm eyebrow person because I've got quite like a cool toned hair. Got a mixture of everything in my hair, but I really like that. And again, I really love the shade and it's not too pigmented. Very bold brows today and I'm not mad at it. Okay, so going back to the face, I've got the Bobbi Brown blush here and it's in the shade Clementine, but it's a really nice soft pink shade and I thought it would go so nicely with the cream blush that we applied. I just love the packaging. It's very sleek. Something I would put in my kit. Ooh, I love that shade. Very peachy pink. It looks slightly different on the skin than on the pan. I love that. That is beautiful. I wanted to do a crazy eye look today, but I literally don't have time. I've had this sat in my to use pile so long. It's the Made by Mitchell Eye Clouds palette. It's called Chocolate Chad. I don't know. But it's perfect shades for this time of year. So I'm just gonna dive in and see how we go. I absolutely used to love his shadows. I've still got all of his eyeshadow palettes, which I'm very proud of because they're probably a lot of money, and I've actually got one that I accidentally bought 2 of. I don't know what happened, I can't remember, but I'm going to put it in a giveaway, maybe my 10k subscriber giveaway. Okay, so I'm going to start out with this shade, which is called Avalanche. This might have been a limited edition, so if it was, I'm so sorry guys. Yeah, I think it was like a limited edition of his ski collection, which was that like nearly a year ago. That's embarrassing if it was, because I'm only just trying this palette. I need to stop buying makeup just for the sake of it. Now I'm going to go in with Oat Milk. We've got a lot of kickback in the pan. Yeah, of course, be expected. They blend in beautifully. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of the darker one. This is in the shade Alpine, I think. We all know how I cannot pronounce things. I love that it comes with a mirror as well. Oh, there's a little tiny bit of fallout. Nothing we can't get rid of. Yeah, these are blending seamlessly together. Okay, now I'm going to take the shimmer shade, which is called Bitter Sweet. I hope I'm saying these in the right order. I'm going to take this on my finger. Yeah, cute. That is really pretty. Yeah, love that. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to pop a little bit of mascara on. This is the Hypnose Drama, the new formula. I actually got sent this from Lancome. I've been using it. It's okay. It's not my favourite. The brush I just don't understand. Maybe I need to watch some like Lancome videos or ask the lady on Lancome in my store that I work in. It does have a lot of product on there, so I do take some of it off the brush, but I do need to curl my lashes. Should have done that before. Okay, so eyes, face are done. Now onto the lips. I have been wanting to try this for so long, guys. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper. This is meant to give 8 hours of plumping. What does that even mean? This is in the shade Post-Op Pink. I do like the packaging. It's very sleek, but I am gonna say I don't like the twist applicator. I just love a pencil eyeliner, lip liner, anything like that, because I just find it's so much easier and more hygienic as well. These, they're not, and you just can't get a sharp point. This is cool though, because you press it like that and it goes up. Such a nice warm shade. Watch. I haven't put this on my lips yet, so we'll see if it tingles. It glides on so smoothly though. I do absolutely love the shade, and I do absolutely love the lip injection like lip gloss. It sort of smells similar to that. This is a lighter shade than I normally would go for. I'm sure this is the only one they had in store, and I'm sure I can feel it tingling. That is so weird. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit until I do my lip gloss. Now I've got lots to try, but out of these two, I don't know which ones to try. I'm sort of thinking this one because I've had this the longest, and this one's been hyped up quite a lot, and I haven't seen much about this one, so let's go for this one. Why not? This is the NYX This Is Milky Gloss, infused with vegan milk. Now, I hope this hasn't gone off. Do you think it is? I hope not. It's in the shade Milk and Honey, I believe. The packaging's super cute. I know this is quite old, so not old, but you know, it's been out for quite a while. I'm hoping they still do it. Sorry if they don't. Absolutely love the packaging. It's like a frosted bottle, and it's the colour of the lip gloss. The lip gloss is going to be perfect with this lip liner. It's like a very nude, warm nude. And my lips are tingling. I like it. Like I said, I really like the Lip Injection Extreme Gloss, so yeah. This doesn't smell off, so I'm gonna just go with it. That is actually really pretty. I love the shine on that. Oh, stunning. I'm gonna take that out with me. Let's take these out. Okay, so there was nothing that I didn't didn't like. So I'm very happy with that. The foundation was absolutely stunning. I probably could do without the primer because the Bobbi Brown one, in my opinion, is a lot better. Yeah, there's nothing that I hated in this video, but there's some things that I wouldn't like get again, if you know what I mean. And I love these videos because it goes to show that not everything is worth the hype. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a makeup clear out. I've got way too many of one product. Blushes, for example, I've now got a whole drawer full of blushes, cream, liquid, powder. So stay tuned for a makeup organising declutter video. I'm going to be brutal and get rid of loads. If you want to see that video, then let me know in the comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, a nice chatty, try new products with me, get ready with me sort of style. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you did by giving me a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you like the videos I am putting out. And don't be shy. Comment in the comments down below what videos you want to see from me. Also, I forgot to do my thing that I do. If you are new here, you won't know that I do this. Every video, I'm going to ask you to put a specific emoji in the comments, just so I know you're watching. Please put in a emoji of a lipstick and also put a peach to go with the peach sponge, just so I know that you've watched this far and you are a true supporter of mine. If you don't have those emojis, just write in the words lipstick and peach. I will know what that means. I appreciate it so much if you did. Don't be fooled, it's going to be somewhere in the video, so you have to watch next time. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a lovely day or evening, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!